Hey, it's great to have you here, joining me for a few moments of pure relaxation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let's imagine we're sitting beside a cozy, crackling fire. As we sit here, we can hear the gentle crackles and pops of the firewood. Each sound is like a tiny burst of warmth, isn't it? You can almost feel the heat on your face, comforting and inviting. Now, focus on the soft whispers of the flames. They dance back and forth, creating a symphony of peaceful sounds. It's like they're performing just for us. And there's the faint, soothing sound of the chimney. It's like a lullaby sung by the house itself, the soft whooshing sound blending perfectly with the crackling logs. This sound can take us away from the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, creating a space where we can truly unwind. Imagine the embers glowing brightly, their orange light flickering softly in the dark. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? Each ember tells a story of warmth and tranquility. I love sharing this moment with you, feeling the serenity that comes from simply listening to the natural music of a wood fire. It's like we're wrapped in a warm blanket, safe and protected from the outside world. I hope this little escape has brought you some peace. Remember, moments like these are precious. They help recharge our spirits and prepare us for whatever comes next. So take this feeling with you, and whenever you need a break, just close your eyes and return to this cozy fireside chat. Thanks for spending this time with me. Stay relaxed and take care until next time.